Hi everybody, I'm B. Wallace Murphy, the founder of the B. Wallace Murphy Academy. I'm geared towards helping those that are in the home services industry, those that have a passion for what they do, those that want to stay in business. And I want to talk to you a little bit today about one of the real pitfalls in the industry. It's an easy industry to get into, but it's difficult to stay in. And one of the reasons why is that we fail to price our jobs properly. We fail to write solid contracts. We fail to add for extra work. So if you're struggling with that, I can help you. We have a 10-chapter program on how to bring you through that. But today, it's so important that you know the numbers. This is what I'm doing for this. If there's a change in that, we have an upcharge to it. And you know, so many times contractors are just afraid to ask for it because they think they missed it or they think the customer may be unhappy. But if you're honest and you're upfront with people, the customers really have no problem with it. But they don't charge enough for the jobs. They find themselves just spinning, doing all the work and really not making a profit. It's a sad situation to be in. If you are, what you have to do is get yourself organized. You have to get yourself to a point where you become an expert at what you're doing, on how to price jobs properly, and then see the job through in a professional way. We would run the ball to the 2-yard line and fumble. And I would teach my people to, finish like a pro. Once we get down there, punch the ball into the end zone. I hope the things I'm going to talk to you about today, you'll find fulfilling. If you do, please just click and subscribe to us. I'll be doing free information here over the next year. I would hope that you would email me with some questions you might have on things that you're going through. I'll try to answer those. I really feel that my passion right now is giving back and helping those that want to succeed in our industry. We're looking at possibly a $1 trillion market. It's a big business. You can make a great living at it if you do it the right way. And I'm here to teach you how to do it the right way. Basically, what worked for me the best was I wanted my company to be the why not us, and how could you not choose a company like mine. It wasn't all about me, it was all about all my people. I'll teach you how to set up systems, how to sell jobs right, how to handle employees, what type of advertising that may or may not work for you. Even if you've been in the business for 10 years, you're going to find something in it that you're going to say, aha, maybe I need to get back to this. I want to be your coach. When I started the business, the two great motivators in life is inspiration and desperation. I desperately wanted to succeed, but I also had a coach. I had somebody that I would listen to all the time that would keep me on track, that would keep my mind in a good place so that each day I would feel that I accomplished something that I wanted to do. It took effort. Nothing hard is easy. But once I was able to do that, rather than being in a business where I'm constantly chasing customers, after a while the customers were chasing us because they knew how we did work. They knew that we stood behind all our work. We know what it's like to have somebody at our house that we feel apprehensive about. But I'll show you how to separate yourself, to brand yourself. I'm B. Wallace Murphy. If you'd like to hear more, just please click on the button, subscribe to our channel, and you'll get free information from me.